In the previous session, we talked about momentum of a body, in which we had discussed about mass and velocity. At some of the places I had talked about speed and velocity. There is a minute difference between these two. The vehicle is traveling at a speed of 50 km per hour. The vehicle is traveling at a velocity of 50 km per hour north. Did you guess the difference between these two statements? Yes, the difference is direction. 50 km per hour is just describing the speed of the moving body. It's just describing the time rate. So, it is a scalar quantity. 50 km per hour north describes the velocity of the moving body. It is describing both time rate and the direction of the moving body. Hence, it is a vector quantity. Now, let us get into the topic of acceleration. Let us assume a person riding a bike. The person starts from 0 km per hour. He changes the bike speed towards north gradually. After 2 hours, the bike's speed is found to be 60 km per hour. In the above said example, I hope you had found out the change in two things. One is time and another is velocity. And this is called acceleration. Acceleration is equal to change in velocity divided by time taken. Here, change in velocity is 60 km per hour minus 0 km per hour. Here, 60 km per hour is the final speed, that is velocity, and 0 km per hour is the initial speed. The time taken to reach 60 km per hour is 2 hours. Hence, acceleration is equal to 60 km per hour minus 0 km per hour divided by 2 hours. From this, we can get the acceleration as 30 km per hour square. And so, kilometer per hour square is the SI unit of the acceleration.